In this video, I'll show you how to buy a PlayStation Store PSN gift card on Amazon. First, open Amazon on your phone or computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the homepage, go to the search bar and type in PlayStation Store PSN gift card. Hit search and look through the results. When you find the gift card, click on it. Now make sure you are selecting the digital version. This means the code will be sent to you through email. You will not be receiving a physical card in the mail, so make sure the listing says digital code or email delivery before you proceed. Once you are on the right product page, select the amount you want to purchase. You can choose from different amounts depending on how much you need. For example, you could go with $10, $25, $50, or $75. After selecting your amount, click on Add to Cart. Then go to your cart and click on Proceed to Checkout. Enter your payment details and place the order. Once the purchase is complete, your PSN gift card code will be sent to your email address. Just open your email, find the code, and you can use it to add funds to your PlayStation account. It is quick, simple, and you get the code almost instantly. That is how you do it.